Okay, good students, we shall pass on to Unit 2 in the accounts book, which is accounts of not-for-profit organization. Accounts of not-for-profit organization. Generally, any organization is run only to earn profit. For any businessman, it is his motive to earn profit. Though they are doing some kind of service, the main aim is to earn profit. But what is this heading is given differently? Not for profit. Why it is given? What is the motive behind it? We shall see it now. There are some clubs, recreation clubs. They are not run for earning any profit. There may be a sports club. They are not for earning any profit. There may be a library. They are not run for earning profits. Their entire motive is, aim is to serve the people, serve the public. So, these type of organizations are called not-for-profit organization. And in those types of organization, how the accounts are prepared. How the accounts are prepared, we are going to see. So, the organizations which are run for not earning profit, but at the aim of giving service to the public is called not-for-profit organization. And in those type of organizations, what are the types of accounts to be prepared, etc., what we are going to see now. These features we shall see. Just now I said they are running the business, or they are doing their activities not just for earning the profit, and their motive is definitely not at all earning profit. There is no profit motive in not-for-profit organization. And what else then? Their intention is not to earn profit, then what else? Their intention is to do service to the people. And therefore, their feature, the important feature of not-for-profit organization is the service. If they want to do service, they should not do any kind of business. As I said earlier, the recreation clubs, the associations, and the sports club, any kind of clubs doing service, they are all not-for-profit organization. Okay. See, whatever the type of organization, whether it is for profit or not for profit, they need some source to run the organization, no? So, if it is the organization for profit, they will invest the money and they will run the business. From there, they will earn the profit and they will get back the capital also. That is different. But though it is a service organization, to run the organization, they need some source to run the business or to run the organization there. So how they get? They get the source from getting donations. In this type of organization, anybody can become a member by paying the subscription in the society or in the club. So from the subscription. In the subscription, when we talk about it, may be annual subscription or life subscription. So sometimes there may be a will from anyone and that will be in the name of the club or this not-for-profit organization. So, from any kind of will, from any kind of life membership subscription, from any kind of annual subscription, from any kind of donations, the source of income is available for this not-for-profit organization. So, this is the source of income. So, we have seen so far what is the meaning of not-for-profit organization. Then, what are the features of this organization? See, in any country, especially in India, if we want to start any type of organization, whether it is for profit organization or not for profit organization, whatever the type of organization it is, there are some rules and regulations framed by the government what we should follow when we start the organization, whether it is of profit for profit organization or not for profit organization. Whatever the type of organization it is, we should follow certain rules and regulations. To start any kind of not-for-profit organization, there is a section in the Companies Act 2013. In the Companies Act 2013, under section 8, any not-for-profit organization can be registered under Schedule 3 of Company Act 2013. Under Company Act 2013, under Schedule 3, any not-for-profit organization can be registered. In that case, if they are registered, what they should prepare? They should prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Once this not-for-profit organization is registered, then they are supposed to prepare income and expenditure account and also balance sheet. This is one type. Suppose if this type of not-for-profit organizations are not registered பண்ணவே இல்லை, then they need not prepare income and expenditure account or the balance sheet. Only if those type of organizations are registered under section 8 of 2003 Companies Act, they will have to prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. If they are not registered, they need not prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. This is another point that is very important. And what are the types of accounts to be prepared? What are the types of accounts to be prepared under this heading? 1. Receipts and payments account. 2. Income and expenditure account. 3. Balance sheet. These are the 3 types of accounts to be prepared. So, and what are the items? What are the items we should write under this receipts and payments account? This is the heading, subheading under receipts and payments account. The debit side is the receipt and the credit side is the payment. And in this receipts and payments, what all we should write? What are the entries we should pass? Number 1, whatever the type of receipts in terms of cash, we write it under the receipt side, that is on the debit side. Whatever the amount we receive, those amount are written under the receipt side if they are received in terms of cash. And very important thing is all the payments are made on the, all the payments made are written on the credit side. So when you receive cash, you write it on the receipt side. When you make payment, they are on the credit side. That is, the income is on the debit side and the expenses are on the credit side. In addition to that, there are some restrictions also. What are the restrictions? There are some non-cash items. What are they? Non-cash items: depreciation, outstanding expenses, accrued income. These type of items are not appearing under receipts and the payments account. What are they? They are called the non-cash items. What are those non-cash items? Depreciation, outstanding expenses, and the accrued income. These type of non-cash items are not at all appearing under receipts and payments account. Okay, we shall do the problem tomorrow, and before that, we have seen so far what is the meaning of accounts of not-for-profit organization and what are its features and how those not-for-profit organizations are registered, what is the reference, and if those not-for-profit organizations are not registered, what are the accounts, that is income and expenditure account and balance sheets are not prepared, and what are the accounts prepared under this organization type: receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. Then finally the balance sheets are prepared. And what are the items that would appear in the receipts and the payments? Mean cash received, receipts; cash paid, payments; all incomes, debit side; all expenses, credit side. And this is the main thing you should bear it in mind. And there is only one type of items are not appearing or not coming here. What are they? The non-cash items: depreciation, outstanding expenses, and accrued income. These type of items are not at all appearing in receipts and payments account. We shall continue it tomorrow.